What's up, everyone? 2017 Chevy Silverado cabin filter. It's the filter that's behind here. Basically what you want to do is get yourself a Torx T15. That's the little star one. And open this bottom drawer here. And we're going to get this one out. This one. This one, and then there's two on the bottom as well. Now with those four out, you should be able to just kind of pull this out like that. This has clips on it. Make sure you don't lose these gold clips. Sometimes they stay stuck in the hole. If they do, just pull them out the hole and put them back on those tabs. And then here is our filter. That's our filter door. So let's see, it looks like you just pop this part back on both sides. Let's see. Once you get those popped off the top, pretty much just wiggle it out. There's our filter. You can kind of just push it and grab it, pull it out. Now if these have a lot of like leaves and pine needles or whatever in it, try to make sure they don't fall down in here. If they do, you can reach in there and get them out most of the time, but make sure that the motor's not going to turn on. You know, make sure the key's out of the ignition. Got my AC Delco filters just from the dealership. There's my part number. Now these filters will have an arrow on them that says airflow, and usually the door on here will say airflow direction on it, or maybe like somewhere nearby it'll say airflow direction. I don't see a spot on this one, but if I reference the old filter, it says that the airflow was going down because this dirty part was on top. So when I put my new one in, I'll just make sure that the airflow is saying down. Go ahead and put this in. Sometimes they could be kind of tough to get in, and you could kind of like fold them a little bit or whatever you got to do to get them in. But yeah, there you go. And then you'll put the door back on. Then we'll put the glove box back in, snap it in place, put your 4 screws back in, and that's it. So hope this video helped you out.